in language arts, we are doing a CER about Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry.
Because of MDC testing, we won't have as much time, so we can work on it at home.
And after the MCAs, it will be due.
It is about what you think is the best moral of the story,
and what best explains what the story was about.
Make sure to add your own personality and parts to it to make it sound more like you, and it's not just straight from the book and kind of boring.
MCAs! We just finished up, or are finishing up our reading MCAs right now. And now we're going to be starting our math MCAs, which will be fun-ish. I would recommend bringing a small, quiet snack and a water bottle to class with you. Remember to leave your devices at home or in your locker. They are not allowed to be used during the test. And we will have a device for you to do the test. And make sure you bring something after, like a book or homework to work on. And make sure you get a good breakfast and a good night's sleep ahead of time. Good luck!
In Doll Science, we just finished the buoyancy and density project.
If you haven't turned it in yet, be sure to turn it in because it's due.
In the buoyancy and density project, we're putting objects, submerging them in water, and seeing which ones float and which ones sink based on how dense they are.
Just hang on.
So in science, we did the density lab, which tests the different densities of liquids. We started out with a graduated cylinder. We added 10 milliliters of honey, then 10 milliliters of Dawn dish soap, and 10 milliliters of water, which we put in the cup and used an eyedropper to put in. Then 10 milliliters of green tinted rubbing alcohol, and finally 10 milliliters of vegetable oil. And if we wanted to at the end, we could add 2 extra liquids, vanilla and molasses. And here's what the finished result looks like. So the 5th grade visit is this Friday, and we're going to show you what it would be like to be a 5th grader. Yeah! So fun! I can't wait to go on a tour. Let's go! Right now! First, you need to go to the gym and watch the jazz band perform, and then we're going to go on tours. Yeah, tours. Yay! Alright guys, so this is the library. Wow. Yeah. There's so many books. It's great in here. I love it. This is the cafeteria. Cool. This is the office. That's cool. Yeah. You get to see Peter Pan and the Southview Auditorium. I love Peter Pan. Do you remember being a 5th grader at the orientation? We remember being a lot of fun. Yeah, I loved the 5th grade tour. Yeah, if you see a 5th grader in the hallway on Friday, don't disturb their tour and make them feel welcome here. Goodbye, or have a good day, Southview!
We are part of the Southview Spring Musical, Peter Pan. On Thursday the 18th and Friday the 19th, the show will be at 7 o'clock p.m. On Saturday the 20th, it will be at 2.
And the ticket prices are $8 for students and seniors and $10 for adults. If you forget any of this stuff, just check the posters that have been around the school. Here's one of the posters with all the information. In social studies, we are doing the 3 E's project.
The choices are enrichment, enhancement, or extension.
Dig deeper into a family that immigrated to Minnesota in the late 1800s.
That's enrichment, for an example. And you make a presentation on it, and you can turn it into a classroom.
Fixes her hair.
Stop. We are part of the South. Here's where the Southview Jags.
You just started over.
Here's the Southview Jags. Here's the Southview Theater, and it's right by door 7.
Okay, so today. What the heck? Damn. Restart.
You should look at ours, and ours is really good.
I don't think so.
It's on flip.
Okay, then. Get on the WOM test.
27 out of 26.
Nice job.
Go, boys! No, but this was not on the timer. I know, just like be quiet and we can cut it.